Yo, what's good, guys? Today is October 20, 2025, and we are going to get over today's price action. Today is Monday, so first day of the week, weekly candle opens, and if the week at the weekly time frames, you can see price bounce from this weekly fair value gap. The daily chart had this daily fair value gap, which made price literally just fight to get pressed through this fair value gap. As you can see, Fridays close inside, so I expect previous day hike to get taken. And if you go to the 1 hour, you can see we had this week this 1 hour fair value gap above this high, so a strong growing liquidity. Okay, now we are going to get over intraday bias. As you can see, this is the daily range. As you can see, there's no new week opening gap here. Price bounce in the new week opening gap, rebounds the leg to the C of the range, this 30-minute order block, you can say, and we start displacing higher. So we are going to get market open here, and I was looking price to rebound the range and trading something like more premium in here, but as you can see, market open just rips and get through my levels in here. So Nasdaq already took my drawn liquidity for the day, so as I call it out in the Discord, I was very bullish to those targets. If they're no long, maybe short from there. So as you can see, ES was still below these highs. Nasdaq just take this hike. As you can see, we made that bearish SMT, inside a 1 hour fair value gap. Price so overextended, so I was looking price to rebound some range. Mac model short, as you can see, we just form 5-minute fair value gap in here, unfilled 5-minute fair value gap, 3-minute fair value gap, and if you go to the 1 minute, what do we form in here? Our first confluence was this represented fair value gap here, get run through. As you can see, I set my limit here, I got fetching, targeting price equilibrium of the range. As you can see here, we had this big 1 minute fair value gap inside of 3 and 5-minute fair value gap. Price overextended, we ran through this 1 minute 3% fair value gap, and there's another detail. As you can see, ES had those highs still above. So if you look at this high, ES at 942, we wicked this high 942. If you look at Nasdaq, you can see opposite, we just close practically inversing 3%. So we made another SMT in here that made me think this trade was A++, but you can see we didn't even get our break even to save us, which is pretty weird. But as you can see, price just decided to continue higher for the rest of the session. No trades for most of the people. I think there's literally price slowly going up with no entry, no trades. So yes, that's my trade for today and my trade recap for today.